State-of-the-art technologies, innovative business strategies, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review with Alexander Haig.
Managing injury prevention and costs associated with time off from work due to illness or injury can be a challenge. BTE Technologies tells us about their unique approach.
Injuries on the job, while decreasing in frequency, are continuing to increase in cost due primarily to the continued escalation of health care. Many of these injuries occur during the first 12 months on the job.
Today, employers have a critical challenge ahead of them. In fact, 1 out of 3 of all work-related injuries occur within the first 11 months on the job. This begs the question of why. Well, let me give you a few reasons. First of all, the job duties associated with the job descriptions are somewhat unclear to that potential or prospective employee. Secondly, the employer requirements are not always accurate or adequate to use when looking at the physical demands of the job. And finally, the employees may not have the physical capacity to do that job on a daily, productive basis, and most importantly, on a safe basis.
By utilizing software and special technology, BTE evaluates an individual's ability to perform tasks as it applies to a particular job.
Matching the employee to the job is very important. I think most of us would agree that it's a win-win situation when injuries can be prevented. It's a win for the employee and a win for the employer.
Very consistent effort here.
BTE expedites recovery and return to work by allowing us to obtain some objective functional data from the post-offer of employment testing and compare that to data obtained in the post-injury and recovery phase. It's valid information, objective data that we're able to use in order to make a more appropriate determination in returning that individual to work.
Preventing injuries makes sense, but what happens after an injury has occurred?
The result is they're able to return to work much more quickly. They do better because they are able to understand their function better, and the result is a win-win situation.
We're able to track recovery using our software and to determine when an employee is ready to return to work based on the functional requirements of the job. So utilizing the BTE technology, we can actually look to see when a person is at the maximum level of performance that they need to be in order to perform the job safely.
The BTE system is used to measure function and provide support services.
At BTE Technologies, our employer customers have received incredible results. We do this by matching the physical requirements of the job to the worker's capacity.
Prevent workplace injuries and then having post-injury services in place afterwards, corporations may be better able to manage their losses. For World Business Review, I'm Jamie Mahler reporting.